Hi there, YouTube friends. I'm Daniel, the low-budget outdoorsman. It rained overnight. The clouds are supposed to push out. We're supposed to get some sun, and then we're supposed to have some more storms this afternoon. Typical mid-south weather. But in between, I'm going to try to do a little fishing. Well, it is almost that spawn. In fact, it should be pretty close to it. This week should really kick things off. Not a very big one, but it's an aggressive one. I don't know if I can both flip this one off. Ah, that's a keeper though. That is a keeper right there. That is a good sign right there. Well, we tried for about 35 minutes with the camera on a stationary spot on the bank to give you a little bit of a different angle, and I couldn't catch any fish. So put the camera back on the boat and we're gonna go back to fishing like this, move around a little bit. There's a fish. That might be a good one. Oh, that was a massive jump. Oh, that was, I wish you could have seen that. Come here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa. That is a beautiful bass. Look at that girl. She doesn't have the length on her to be, you know, really big, but she fought like a big girl. That's a lot of fun right there. There's one. It's not a big one, it's in the side of the face, but I think it's close to a keeper. There we go. There's another one. There's one. Doesn't feel like a big one. It's a little bitty one in the side again. I'm fishing this worm on a 6/0 with a 6/0 hook, and I have 17-pound fluorocarbon on it on a medium heavy fast rod. That is my preferred setup when fishing a worm or even a small jig that's not in really heavy cover. I'm fishing a pumpkin and chartreuse. There, oh, there it is. Whoo, that one came after it 5 times. Whoo! Oh man! There was like 4 of them down there. There was 2 little ones that hit it, and then this one finally came and slammed it. There we go. Look at that one right there. Not bad. This pumpkin and chartreuse is really a good color when you have these overcast skies. Well, I think the rain is about to set in, so one more cast. That was not a good one, so I think we're gonna call it. Well, we are done fishing for the day. The thunder started to pick up, so it's time to get off the water and be safe. It's been a good day. Bring bass fishing. I mean, what can you say? It's a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Maybe learned a couple of things along the way. I'll try to do better next time. I'm Daniel, the Low Budget Outdoorsman. God bless.